Well, the young blood of Bollywood who has done it all with Ashiki 2 and recently gave a huge hit, Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. Aditya Roy Kapoor exclusively on Bollywood Now. Welcome to Bollywood Now. And how does it feel to be crowned as most stylish and charming personality this year?
It's a pleasant surprise. I'm not normally equated with style, but I'm happy that I have been tonight. And thank you to everyone over here, to Nobilis and Elle and Harper's Bazaar and Grey Goose and everyone, that they've somewhere recognized my style and deemed it fit to be given this prize. So I'm very happy and I'm overjoyed actually. Yeah.
Okay, how far life has changed because two hits back to back and now association with the fashion, style, and glamour. So how does it feel?
It's been quite a trip actually since the whole thing has happened, since these two films have done well, and life has changed in many ways. In so many ways, yeah. And all for the better. I'm very happy that it's happened. I guess this is what I was working for, so it's happened. And it's surreal in so many ways, but I have so much to be thankful for. The biggest thing is that I have more work coming my way, which is the key. That's the best thing that can happen, right? Because when a film does well, more work comes your way, and that's all you want, you know.
Coming back with Dawat-e-Ishq, so what's cooking with the film?
Well, it's cooking, it's simmering right now. We're shooting it. It'll take some time for it to it's being marinated or something right now. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it'll take some time. We still have a few months to go before we're done with the shoot of the film. And when you're shooting a film, you really don't know what's going on, and you can't really say much about it because you're in it. I'm sure I'll be more coherent later once I'm done shooting it.
But tell us something about your character in the film.
Can't really right now. I will be killed if I say anything about my character right now. I can't. I'm just shooting it, so I think I'll have to wait for a bit before I can.
Okay, what is Aditya Roy Kapoor's personal style statement?
I don't know if I make one. I just dress. I wear clothes because I have to, and yeah, you have to wear clothes on. Yeah, it's just about being comfortable, trying to be yourself and not try and ape people just for the sake of it.
Okay, since you're a public figure, rumors are bound to happen with you about your affairs, link-ups. How does you take that?
I guess it's a part and parcel of the whole thing. You can't ask for one thing and not get the other. If you get it, it's the whole package. Deal with it, and that's the state of what it is. And but you can't let it affect you too much. You just do your work and accept that it's part and parcel of life. And don't let it affect you too much. That's all. Yeah.
So is Aditya Roy Kapoor single or ready to mingle, or what's the status?
I'm single. I'm ready to mingle. I'm all of that. Yeah.
Okay. Lastly, one message to all the fashion lovers.
One message. Well, I don't know if I have much of a message actually to give on cue, but I guess it's just about being comfortable and being yourself and embrace that and all those things that people tend to say. Yeah.
Well, this was young heartthrob Aditya Roy Kapoor in Mumbai with cameraman Paresh Rawat. This is Rohit Bhatnagar for Bollywood Now, and keep watching Bollywood Now for all the latest update on television and Bollywood.
Hi, I'm Aditya Roy Kapoor. Keep watching Bollywood Now.